In this video, you will learn how to create this beautiful flip-on-click effect in PowerPoint. You can click on a picture and you will get the relevant explanation. And the best part is you can click on the explanation and see the picture again. And that is what makes this interesting interactive animation so special. Let us learn how to create this beautiful effect from scratch. But before that, I am Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. We help professionals like you create engaging presentations. Now, the first step is to go to AutoShapes Gallery, pick up the oval tool and draw an oval like this. This is going to be the picture placeholder as well as the text placeholder. I'm going to make a copy of this by pressing Ctrl D and keep it to one side. Let us fill this with a picture. Let us select the picture, go to Shape Fill, go to Picture, and then you can choose Stock Images or from a file. Let me go to From a File, Pictures, and let us choose an image. I'm going to say Insert. Now we have got our picture in place. Then let us select this image. I'm going to give this a fill which is from this color. So let us go to Shape Fill, go to Eyedropper and pick up some color from inside this picture. So there is some kind of a harmony in the look and feel of these images. Then let me write my text inside. I can use a text box tool or I can write directly inside. I always prefer to use a separate text box tool because it gives me more control. Here I have the text. Let me increase the font size like so and then choose a different kind of a font. I'm going to choose Amasis MT Pro. Let me readjust the positioning. Maybe I can make it slightly smaller, centrally aligned, and now we have got our explanation. I'm going to select both of these and ensure that it is all properly aligned, align middle and align center, and I'm going to group it by pressing Ctrl G. Now let us name these two elements very clearly so it is much easier for us to refer to them later on when we apply custom animation. So let us select this. Go to Home, go to Select and say Selection Pane, and here it is called Oval 1. We are going to call this Picture and say Enter. Then let us have this group. You can see this group is called Group 7. Let us have it something more easy. So let us say it is Explanation. Hit Enter. Now that is changed. Now let us close this selection pane. We don't really need it anymore. Go to Animations and go to Animation pane so you can see what I'm going to do. Select this first one called as Picture. Then go to Exit Animation, and the one we want is under More Exit Effects and it is called as Collapse. So it is under Moderate, select Collapse and say OK. The way it works is like this. Nice. Now this animation is set so it can start on click, but we want it to be on a trigger. So let us go to Trigger, go to On Click Off. Do you remember what we called this? It is called Picture. So on clicking that picture, this needs to collapse and vanish from the scene. In that place, we want this to appear. How will this appear? Let us select this piece. Then go to More Entrance Effects and we have this option under Moderate called Stretch and we say OK. And if you see stretch, the way it works is like this. That is how it stretches. Now this needs to come right after the previous one and say after previous. If you see, I just pulled it under the trigger and then called it after previous. Now how does that work? When I click on this, this disappears and this appears. Now the beauty of this is I can place this right above this and then maybe send it to back so you can clearly see the image. On clicking this, this happens. That is, the picture vanishes and gives me the explanation. Excellent. Now we want the other way as well. That is, on clicking this thing, we want the picture to appear. So we're going to add another animation. So let us select this explanation, add animation, and we're going to do the exact same thing as we did before, More Exit Effects and say Collapse and say OK. Remember, there is already an animation attached to this. So we always need to go for add animation for the second animation on the same object. So we have done that. Now this needs to be triggered on click off this piece here. What is it called? It is called Explanation. Then this needs to appear. So let us go to Add Animation and go to More Entrance Effects and it will appear as Stretch and say OK. Now this will happen right after the previous one and therefore we'll say after previous. So there are two triggers here. One trigger is on the click of this, another trigger is on the click of Explanation. So that is what you see here. Now we can safely keep this right behind the previous one Now, when I keep it in a proper place and go to slideshow, on a click, I have the explanation coming. On a click, I have the picture coming. That is the flip on click effect. You can always make more copies of it and have this beautiful effect happening, and it will definitely impress your audience. Now, talking about showcasing pictures and their explanation, I have a few interesting and creative examples taken from our comprehensive all-in-one bundle. On a click, we have a platform shown and a carousel effect comes in here. The first picture is showcased with its explanation, then the first one moves away and the second one is revealed like this, and the third one is revealed like this. The best part is all these images can be easily replaced with your own custom image. Another example is we have 3 images and they are showcased like this in a very interesting way. Of course, you can add any explanation you want here. Another example is this, where we have 3 images drawn with a hand like this. So there is a very dramatic reveal to the various images and their explanation. The final example is this, where we have the image and the explanation. The only thing we are going to do is to draw the viewer's attention to each one at a time. On a click, you can see that the second one is brought into the spotlight and the previous spotlight is turned off, and you can see the same thing here. So that is how this particular template works. In fact, in our comprehensive all-in-one PowerPoint bundle, there is a collection of more than 4,500 premium PowerPoint templates that help you make beautiful presentations in a matter of minutes. The link is in the description box below the video. By the way, if you liked this tutorial, then you will really love this other tutorial that I created called How to Convert Static Pictures into Animated Images in PowerPoint. It's a very interesting way of using vector images that are available for free in public domain and how to add some interesting animated elements to make it come to life. I will leave a link to this video right here on your screen. You can click on the link and watch this video next. And if you want to join our 25 Creative PowerPoint Ideas 5-day free mini training, you can click on the link here. I'll not only send you this mini course, but also add this with daily emails that give you some very useful and interesting simple tips in PowerPoint that you can use to make your presentations come to life. So if you like that, click on the link and join the course, and I'll see you inside.